So we gathered all the necessary informations for our customers and can now start to generate the project documentation. So now at the start of the video, we show you how a final project documentation will look like. Therefore, I'm going to the PC. So on the first page, you can see the name of the project documentation, the company, a picture if you have added some, the project address. The next page is table of contents. Also, you can find the whole base report, the string distribution, wallbox if there is one, and last but not least, the acceptance. In the appendix of the documentation, you can find nodule data sheets, inverter data sheets, string distribution, and other files you have added. So now I'm back on my smartphone, and there's even the option to generate a preview version which you can show your customer. Please note there will be no appendix in the preview version. But as I said before, all of this is of course available at the final documentation. So the next step is the acceptance of the project documentation. So now we're at the acceptance stage of the project. You can edit in a signature from your customer if you need to. If you don't, you can also generate the documents without. The final step is the creation of the documentation. The final step is to create a report of the documentation. Therefore, just click the red button, create documentation, and the report will automatically be generated. So this concludes the project of your customer. The newly generated report can be sent via email directly to your customer, or you can also print it out and hand it over. So this concludes the silver part of our K2 Doku app training. In the gold part, we will show you many more interesting things like checklist and also a function to share it with some colleagues. So we hope you learned something, had some fun, and good luck planning.